Welcome back to my channel, loves. I will be doing, as you can see from the title, a Nicki Minaj Met Gala look. I posted this on Instagram and TikTok last month, actually, and everybody went crazy over it. I really liked it. These are the pictures of Nicki from the Met Gala, and I'm obsessed. We started off with some nice, bold, dark brows. I didn't make them too thick, but they definitely were bold. I used, what did I use? Actually, I used the new Benefit brow pencil, the pomade and a pencil. I didn't like that product that much. I then went to the normal brow pencil because I'm like, that was hard to use for me, like super hard for me to use. I don't know what it was, but I'm gonna have to play with that one a little bit more. I just concealed like normal. Well, actually, I did like a darker shade of concealer on top, and then I used eyeshadow base on the bottom, and I used the P. Louise eyeshadow base. Everything will be listed down below. P. Louise base in the shade number 3 because I'm going for like a nude coppery type of eye. Using that Morphe 173 brush to really blend away all that extra concealer around the top part of my brows and my base as well. Yeah, so this eye was giving me problems, y'all. I don't be using like shimmer much, but I love my shimmers in my palette. I just was like, it needed to be more coppery. Like if you looked at Nicki's look, she had like copper eyes, and I used more like deep tones to where it was too deep. So I ended up wiping the eyes off. You'll see me do it in here just to show y'all, like, look, I'll be wiping my eyes off too. Don't get discouraged, you know. But yeah, so we just blending the base on, and we're gonna start with using my In the Buff palette. You already know what's coming. My In the Buff palette, and I'm using all the copper shades that I'm playing at. So those red tone shades are the ones that I'm going to be using, but I did end up dipping into the more ash tone, like neutral shades, which is why I end up wiping some of the look off. But I'm just packing those on in the shape that I want. She did have like more of a winged out eye look, which was perfect because I'm good at those. I use a fluffier brush to make sure I blend everything outward. By the way, this is Pat McGrath, one of their artists. I don't know if it's specifically her, but one of their artists came up with her whole look. So I want to give credit to them because technically they're the makeup artist. She just wore the look, but you know, I'm gonna say it was inspired by Nicki at the end of the day. Okay, so this is where like you see how deep it is in my outer corner. That was where I took that off. But when I started adding my shimmer on top, I was like, I don't know, that's looking too like, I don't know what to call it, orange. I mean, not orange, I'm sorry, green tone for me. So I just literally wiped it off with my finger, y'all, real ghetto. But it worked out because I just added some base on top and then put that coppery shade back on top. And then this is me adding my Inglot liner in the shade 77, just black gel liner. Before I added my liquid liner, and this is the Sephora liquid liner, the best liquid liner you can buy. I'm sorry to anybody else's fave liquid liner, baby. This the one, okay? It dries down super matte. It's the best. We're gonna use her, and I did use this Lip Bar liquid eyeshadow. I've never really used liquid eyeshadow like that, but this one was really good. I just put some down on my little metal palette and then picked it up with a brush, and it was perfect. I just tapped it in, basically, just a little pop. I needed that pop because technically the look didn't call for glitter, but I just wanted to do something extra with this. But this eye was really cute. It's different for me, but it was very pretty. It's not my typical glam. Y'all know I love me some colors. I love me some glitter, some rhinestones, some glam, but this is still glam. It's just like shimmer glam. Definitely more achievable if you ask me. Like, I mean, I didn't really do much with the eyes, but I was just copying what was done, and it was still very glam, very pretty. I'm just cleaning this up with my concealer brush from BeatsByDeb Cosmetics, you already know. And we're going to blend that extra concealer away that I added with that 173 Morphe brush again. I'm using my mini Mink's eyelash book from BeatsByDeb Cosmetics. And we're just adding my everything glue from BeatsByDeb Cosmetics. Yeah, I'm going to plug my brand every time. I'm sorry, y'all. Actually, I'm not sorry because, period, the products speak for themselves, okay? I use my Huda Beauty mascara, best mascara the volume, and I think, what's the other side say? It's like 2 lash wands and 1 lash mascara or whatever. Y'all need that, okay? You get the sample size. If you don't like, if you can't get the big one right now, I understand. Get that sample, okay? Because it's really good. This is the Beauty Bakery mattifying primer. That's their like butter primer. It's so good. And then I mixed that with the soft matte primer from NARS. Really good combo. And then I'm adding some powder on top, because believe it or not, I had a nail appointment after this, and I literally went like this to get my nails done, y'all. It was pretty funny. Everybody was like, what the heck, like, you have to go somewhere, like, you got to go out. I was like, nope, this is me going out. And then I came home and took it off. But yeah, they really liked it. I loved the Glam as well. I'm using my Lancome foundation, and the shade, I believe this is like 460 Suede, mixed with my Sephora foundation in the shade 35, and this is the best combo. Yeah, this is me adding my concealer. I mean, I could talk through it, but y'all get the rest. I'm basically gonna put everything in the description that I used, but this is just me doing my face. Now we get to the fun part. Here's my rhinestones from BeatsByDeb Cosmetics. No, the black ones aren't for sale. Those were actually samples that I got that I was going to come out with, but I never ended up doing that. I'm still in the works of that. But I use my everything glue. Just put a little dot, and I put some of that everything glue on the back of a brush to pick the rhinestones up. No, I don't have a tool. I just use the back of my brushes, y'all. And I was staring at Nicki's pictures to get like the perfect placement of these. The only thing I didn't see till later was the placement of the ones on her forehead. I didn't see like how they were kind of in a row on her forehead, which I'm sick about. But as you can see, like I was doing that for a good 20 minutes, but it turned out perfect to me. I'm just adding my lip liner, and that's the one from the beauty supply. It's like NK or something like that is what it's called. And yeah, baby, I had the like 38-inch bust down. Okay, this was perfect. Oh, and the gloss was from my Nude lip gloss trio. Yes, I love the look. I hope you all loved it, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and try this look out. It was really fun.